Darren and Gwen Munson work as a dream team to find the best home that fits your needs in Silver Firs, Mill Creek, Apple Tree, and Bothell, Washington. With years of experience in the area and a willingness to fight for what their clients want, they will make sure that the home you end up with is perfect for you and your family. On top of that, they will have a memorable experience with each client that leaves them wanting to come back for more. If you're in need of finding a new place to call home or even just curious about what's out there, call Darren and Gwen at 425-338-9400 or go to their website www.millcreekhomes.com today. You won't regret it.